Hey, it's Dan. Nancy and Dan travel to Disney and beyond, and today we have a room tour. I do not have to tell you where I am. Got the t-shirt, got the refillable coffee mug, even got the wristband. Yep, we're here at Aulani Disney Resort here in Aulani, Hawaii, and we're gonna do a room tour of this one bedroom DVC unit, 528, including what view you have from this. Every view is a little bit different. Let's go on in. Let's go. So first thing you see is this beautiful art piece. There's several gorgeous, stunningly beautiful art pieces here throughout Aulani, but including inside your guest room, whether it's a studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, grand villa. Let's go left to right on this room tour. So here's the kitchen. We just arrived and we've unpacked some items we purchased at the Foodland store before Aulani. Go to the item checklist. Yes, ice machine. Rice maker, yes. Dishwasher. Sink with carburetor, absolutely. Oh yes, there's our Mark West wine. But coffee maker, answer that question. What kind of coffee maker? It's the Duo. It's the Keurig pod or it's the Drip. And Disney provides you with each. And if you're starting to run out, just call them and they'll gladly bring up more for you. No charge. Microwave, cooktop, stove, a full refrigerator. Yes, with ice maker. Not all DVC units have ice makers. This is nice. And again, huge, good size refrigerator with some of our items. All right, look at the shelves, what's contained in there, especially this one. Yes, there's a toaster there, but this is a kettle. A lot of the members, Disney for Seniors Facebook group, want a kettle to boil water for their tea or hot tea or for their porridge in the morning. In this case, yes, we've got the separate kettle to boil water. Stemmed wine glasses. A couple of pot holders beside our Maui style potato chips. Cutlery. Beneath the cutlery, various cooking utensils. You see them there. Down here, literally pots and pans it covers. Up here it's fixed above the microwave. To the right of the microwave, all of your glasses. Again, not the paper variety, but glass or plastic little wee ones. Coffee mugs, creamer, sugar, plates. Here are the larger plates. Open that up for us. And bowls. And what's beneath the sink? Oh, I'd like to take a peek. Well, there's your carburetor, but also the recycle and the waste bin. And yes, we were told again, oh, and yes, very important, fire extinguisher, just in case. Upon check-in, yes, the daily, not daily housekeeping, but daily room check. See a little bit more. Oh, there's cutting board, cut up some pineapple. And more cooking supplies. Excellent. Again, it's a 1 bedroom unit pool view. Okay, so here's the living area. Let's take a look. It's over here. Washer and dryer. Now I'll tell you, usually Disney provides not just the detergent, but also the dryer sheets. Not this time. We may call and ask for some. But we also brought some of our own. There's the dining table with the bench seating and these non-back chairs, small stools. So here is the pull-down Murphy bed. And you'll notice while there is design on the outside, but on the inside, I do have to be careful when you pull this down, make sure that that bar is fully pulled out from the bed frame. It acts to support the outside of the bed. And there you can see instructions there. But again, there's no Disney painting or art of any type on the inside, which is a bit surprising. One of the few times I've stayed in a Disney Vacation Club unit where in the Murphy bed or pull down bed, there's no Disney design. Can we put that back up? All right, continuing. Lots of table lamps. Look at the details. I mentioned art. Look at Mickey surfing here. That's really gorgeous. Might be a little bit hard to see with the light shining through. Another art piece against the wall. This one I really like. So, otherwise, let's step back a little bit. So we got two end tables, different designs, two chairs, very comfortable chairs, the ottoman, and the couch. Now, this is no ordinary ottoman. The top, as I've started to do here, you can push away, and this can be storage. There's where else you've got extra pillow and blanket right there. It's excellent. One hand, just put it right back. So that's really nice. And through the magic of video editing, I have turned that top over, and it can now be used, play games on, maybe put beverages down if you're watching TV late at night, early in the morning, or if it's raining. So that's kind of nice. Once again, that's no ordinary couch. It is a pull-out couch. You can see I started to do it here. So there's the Comfort Sleeper by American Leather, made exclusively for Disney. So that pulls out, and that's why I got the extra bedding there. All right. But wait, there's more, as they say. Yes, just in case didn't film it, there's the fan, ceiling fan. All right, now this end table, you notice it has another built-in end table. Got to be candid, sometimes Disney's design is a little bit desired from a senior's perspective in its Disney Vacation Club rooms and resorts, but this one seemed to have thought of pretty much everything. All right, let's go into the bedroom. On our way, what could be behind door number 3? It's the closet with space for 2 good-sized suitcases. Again, we just arrived. And there is your safe. And yes, that is large enough for a laptop. You need 2 laptops. That's what the safe is. And yes, laundry basket. Let's continue. So here's the bedroom. Just love the design on these doors. All over, really. Okay, so let's go to the right. So this is the bathroom portion. There's one set of hooks. Here is the oversized tub, jacuzzi tub. There. Again, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Sink, shelves, more body cream and hand soap, tissue. What's behind door number 2? Well, there's another hook for your bathing suits to dry. And even more storage and hangers. And yes, there's the pack and play if you bring the grandkids along. Now, you thought I forgot, didn't you? I didn't forget. Yes. So these are sliders. Comes like this, but you can see you've got handles in each of them. So if you want, you could slide them over like this. Like that. Or vice versa. You can have all kinds of fun. We'll put them like that. Okay. Now in the bedroom, again, I wanted to show you several things. Again, here is the desk. And the desk has one USB, one USB-C, and a pair of electrical outlets. there's that beautiful Mickey playing the ukulele lamp. On this side of the bed, this nightstand. Good size. Ooh, there's my wallet, yay! And yes, you've got the shelving there underneath. What I do like about this, Disney did provide 2 nightstands, one on either side. And yes, housekeeping, well, yay! Not so hidden Mickey. Here's the other night table, other side, identical in every way. And look at this. Really, this is a really nice pen, Aulani, and writing pen. And a drawer, the other one, and shelf. Okay. Over here is the TV and numerous drawers. 2 banks. First bank has 3 drawers, deep drawers. Second one has 4 drawers, 3 the same deepness, and then here's an additional one that is locked. Interesting. This is where they used to have the DVD player, because there's the hole for the DVD cord and so on, a Blu-ray player. Not anymore. Okay, let's continue. Now, again, Disney does a great job on its cruise ships with the separating the toilet and sink from the other sink and the bathtub or shower. Same thing here in the 1-bedroom unit. In this second bathroom, toilet, sink, body cream, hand soap, more shelves, more tissue, towels, more really nice art on the wall, plus another handle. There's the shower. Gorgeous shower. Look at that. Beautiful. With a bench no less to sit down, and both handheld and rain shower. And yes, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And yes, if you want to hang some clothes, there you are. Going all the way across. Okay, let's back up a bit. Again, get the door, separating them. And then you come around, and you come back here to the entrance. So very cool design, because if you're coming back from a day in the ocean, in the lagoon, or the pool, come right inside and go right to the bathroom to get dry, take a shower and so on. Really nice design. Now let's look outside. Again, this is a pool view, 5th floor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th floor. And this is towards the end of Eva Tower. So if I pull this back, there we go. It's about, what time on Mickey clock? It says it's about 5 o'clock. So the pool is open another, what? Close at 8, another 3 hours. Lazy River closes at 6. So Lazy River has another hour to go. Here is one of the 2 verandas. This is what you're gonna get with a pool view. When the kids are around towards the end of the day, it will be noisy. You're gonna get the beautiful sunset over there. I'll try to take some pictures and put the pictures at the end of sunset that we get on a clear night. But there's the lagoon. Off the hook, down there. There's the mountain. Gorgeous. So this, I say, is the one of 2 lanais or verandas that you get. And there's the 2 chairs, with each chair then has its own footstools. Okay, let's go back inside. A little bit more quiet. You can tell how solidly these rooms are built because you heard the noise from out there. But now, you don't hear anything. Just great. Really like that. Well built. Same thing over in the master bedroom. I'll show you that now. Screen. There you go. we just saw. This is what a pool view, 1-bedroom unit, Disney Vacation Club here at Aulani, a Disney resort and spa. Again, I told you, it's really quiet, isn't it? Now, if you found this video, room tour, of any value at all, please do click that thumbs up icon. And if you're not subscribed yet to Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney and Beyond, please click that subscribe button. And after clicking that subscribe button, click the notification bell to be notified of our next Disney travel video for adults. For you now, here is another video from our extensive Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney collection, plus the playlist of all of our Aulani, a Disney Resort and Spa videos for adults. Thanks you so much for watching. Have a magical, magical day, Disney style.